All right, guys, build a hoop house out of cattle panels. We got an ARTIC BLAST, supposed to freeze, so we're gonna protect all these dragon fruits. I'm gonna put these posts 8-foot center and then mark right there, right there. Now I had a string line and that'll give me a straight line all the way through. Guys, I got this from Vivor. Always wear hearing protection, guys. Really inexpensive, starts up like a champ, drills like a champ. Came with 2 different augers, 3 of these extensions. This is not a sponsored video. Get this thing going here. This thing goes down like butter, guys. All right, guys, we're all squared away. Look, if you don't have a long tape measure to measure your squares or the 435 method, your cattle panels are pretty square if they're pristine. I mean, no, they're not kinked or anything like that. They're pretty square. You can put 2 or 3 cattle panels. Make sure you're butted up well, even over there at the ends. Gives you an idea of where your square is. That's a 6-inch auger on these. It's about a bag of 60-pound bag of cement on each pole. Like I said, I use my cattle panels to square off because they're square. I measured that. Those are good. And now to see if I'm level, guys. Now I see my 2x4 a little off, but that is pretty good. So I turned the 2x4 the opposite way and we are golden. I'll mix up a bag of cement. This is not a genius type thing, guys. It's very basic, very simple the way I'm doing it. I use the tools that I have. I figure it out. We're square over there. I'm at 12 feet on the outside of the 4x4s and I'm good there. All right, guys, let's make up some cement. So I'm working with this high strength concrete mix, 60-pound bags. It's taking about a bag per post. I'm watering this down pretty good so it'll get down. All right, guys, we're about finished putting all these posts. Everything is square. The line is good. I'm square at the bottom, square on top. My shovel's in the way there. We're golden. I'll start putting panels up today. All right, we'll keep you posted. Let's put some cement. Good. Good. We are good. These cattle panels come with about a 1/2 inch of a little knob, and I'm going to take those off. Don't forget your hearing protection. And we're going to take that off. All right, just 8 more panels to go on each side. Guys, when you're installing your panels, your cattle panels for your, make sure that these wires that are on the outside go to the top, because that way you have a smooth surface that plastic can hit, or your cover. If you put it on this one, then you got room for water buildup, the snow, whatever you're going to have. But if it's smooth all along the out part, your snow and your weight bearing stuff will slide off. All right, guys, Vivor, guys, if you need one, there's a link on my bottom of my video description. So I put these screws a little bit closer in the width of the cattle panel, and that's what's holding these right now. Got 2 of them up, guys. Let's put one up. Look at me struggle. So I will set these 2 on the screws and then pull in on this, pull in, pull in, keep holding it in, and then come up, guys. Easy peasy. And there you go. Easy, guys. Easy. They're meeting up pretty good. And that was pretty simple, guys. You can build a green hoop house by yourself. All right, guys, let's put up another panel. Bring it in. That's what it looks like right now. Let's pull this guy in and get it up there. Now I'm going to pull in from the bottom a little bit. I'm going to grab it with both hands. And there we go. Easy peasy, guys. Look at that. Hoop house instantly with these cattle panels, guys. Now, guys, if you're going to put 12-foot wide panel, you're probably going to have to put a ridge beam right down the center, because there is somewhat of a flat surface on top. Not really flat, it's still curvature, but if you have weight bearing on this stuff, it could cave in on you. So we don't have snow down here, so we're lucky that we don't have snow. Well, guys, we're putting these pipe insulators. I got my neighbor helping me doing the other side, and pipe insulator. Well, guys, I'm getting there. It's drizzly, it's ugly, but we got to save these guys. I'm installing this little channel, and that's where the wiggle wire goes. So we're gonna tie it down there, pull this way down, and then we'll put our wiggle wire. And this, I can lay some 2x4s and some weight just to hold it. And later on, I'm gonna put up a little roll up just to get airflow. But this channel here, it's for wiggle wire. These are the wiggle wire things that go in there. These are plastic coated. There's the it's a 30 by 100 foot greenhouse grade plastic 6 mil. And there you go, guys. I got the pipe insulator. We put it in at every little thing. We got all the ties, all the zip ties there. They're all golden, guys. So this thing is good. It shakes a little bit, but look, for right now, I just need to cover and protect my plants. It's gonna freeze tonight and tomorrow, so we're gonna get that done. So please like and subscribe. It helps us a lot, guys. Trying to hit that 3,000, so we're almost there. Well, guys, it's nice and toasty in here. My my heater a little bit just to warm it up a little bit. 33 foot long, guys. 5.5 foot at the beams here. These little oranges are so sweet. They're miwas. They're like kumquat, but they're real sweet. Turned out real nice, guys. Stand by. Not even 10 minutes yet. That blower's not blowing this way either, so but you can feel the heat. It's getting there. Well, guys, I opened this thing up pretty quick. Temperature started coming back up. It's nice and toasty in here. These guys are doing great. Check this out, guys. It's over 100 degrees in here. Apologize for not showing me pulling the plastic and a lot of the zip ties, but it was crunch time for me. It's either do videoing or save these plants. So I'm really sorry, but I can attest this thing does work, and they work great. It was 23 degrees I had the propane little reflective heater there, and this little ready heater. This ready heater was very low. That thing, I had it on low, and man, they were comfy in here. They were crisp. All right, guys, please like and subscribe.